change the focus. And what I mean by change the focus is the specialty has always been imbued with this sort of foundational level of reconnaissance and surveillance. That's really what what has always been all about. The difference is a couple of things. We never had it codified very well. We never had it standardized very well. And the second thing is that we always focused on sort of the environmental factors that had to do with getting air into places, right? The environmental factors being the weather, the ocean, the land, the terrain, all those things that you need to know in order to fly airplanes into, location X, Y, or Z. That focus changed. We didn't completely erase that, but we diminished it by, I would, rough estimate 75%, 80%. And what we filled that white space with was the things that matter today in terms of the environment, in terms of getting access for airplanes. And what that boils down to is the electromagnetic spectrum kind of environment. So, and more specifically, looking at ways to mitigate systems, adversarial systems that deny us access. So that's where we changed the focus. That was our mandate. And to put it in layman's terms, we cut away a lot of the meteorology and we added in cyber and electromagnetic spectrum stuff. And then the other really key piece that I always hammer down on 5 times over is we are heavily invested in codifying foundational reconnaissance surveillance. Like, that's what we do. The rest of it is the technical capability that makes us unique. But in order to be successful in a joint environment when it comes to recce and surveillance, man, it's a lot about credibility, and it's a lot about checking the same blocks that your sister service units are checking. And so that's where we've invested a large part of our energy.